Let us use the chamfer command in the Home tab. You can see this is the chamfer command. Click on it. Select the edge where the chamfer needs to be created. I am going to select this edge. Select the distance if it's symmetric. So I'm going to create 10 mm and click OK. So as you can see, the chamfer has been created. We'll create another chamfer. This time we will select it as asymmetric, and as you can see, there are two distances that are being asked. I'm going to convert this to 20, make this as 10 and click OK. So this is an asymmetric chamfer that has been created.